That's right.
Oh, yeah. What smartphone are you using right now?
A Pixel 5.
Pixel 5. Stop
Yeah.
it. Pull it out. Prove it. Prove it, Dave.
In my bag. Why would I not? You want me to go to the car and get my Pixel 5?
No, because you want to know something?
Why?
No, I believe you, by the way.
Oh.
People are getting angry with me right now. They're like,
No. I have both.
stop pressuring.
I need the double phone.
Stop pressuring Dave. So rude, Lou. You have a guest here.
Such a bully.
Why didn't you provide your guest with snacks and beverages?
I got a beverage.
You got a little
nice-
short little water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did you even get?
I blame Will. I blame Will for that short water. Can't you give him a real
What?
water?
It's like just enough to stave off dehydration.
I mean, Dave, you can get another one. It's right beside you.
No. Here's the thing.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. I made a video 1 billion years ago.
I remember that video. I know the one you're referring to.
Were you there?
No, I left CES the day before. You're referring to that video, right?
Oh, man. That's very upsetting to me that you're not in that video. Because that's actually maybe that video's useless now without you in it. I just realized.
Yeah.
I would have.
What would your vote have been at
That
the
day?
time? Yeah, that day. It was an iPhone, right?
I don't remember. Probably an iPhone.
Okay,
2018?
People don't know what I'm talking about right now. I had to set the stage.
This is a fantastic video. Let me set the
okay,
stage.
go ahead.
Let me set the stage
Go
for
ahead,
you.
Dave. Go ahead.
So, the premise of this video is that as tech reviewers, there's a bit of calculation that goes on to when you answer the question, what smartphone do you use? Right? Because you got there's an audience, there's brands, there's a personal, whatever it is, right? But Lou said, F all that. I'm going to get to the root of what people actually use. So he invited people over to one of the suites in Vegas at CES. And he was like, all right, now they're all here. Whip it out.
Can I get some clarification here? Because I actually don't remember. Did I tell people why they were coming there?
No, I don't even think this was even planned. This is classic Lou, right? You just...
It's a trap. You trapped them.
I don't think
Lou.
you trapped them with intention. But I watched this video and you could see the discomfort on everybody's face.
Yeah.
They pulled out a device and they had to give a justification as to why it was that device and not some other device.
It was
very telling.
It was super spontaneous inside of a segment that is not typically very spontaneous.
Right.
Now at the time, to be fair, the vast majority of people in this room would be, if they were going to talk about a phone, they would be preparing, researching, writing a script, things like this. I was always just yelling and screaming, right?
You still do.
It was kind of a juxtaposition in approach as much as it was. I don't know how much of the discomfort was necessarily to do with their selection, as opposed to, hey, I normally talk in this really calculated fashion.
Sure.
And I got to just spontaneously tell you why one thing is better than the other. Which is what's good about it.
Right.
I think that there's a tension. Like good content has a tension in it.
For sure.
And of course, Marquez, just perfect politician.
What did he do? He had the double phone?
Both. He had one phone in each pocket. I love that moment to this day. But then I doubled down and I made him pick, didn't I?
Yeah.
And he went Pixel?
Yeah.
So that was cool too. But a lot of people are still to this day ask for an update on that.
You can't.
On that, because why? They would know what was up?
No, you just can't capture the spontaneity, the organic nature of this video.
Is it because like the segment is different now? All these people, we can't. I know we can't reenact the
Oh my
thing.
God, look at Andrew. Like this was not even that long ago, but people look so young here.
Dude,
This
that's
is
2018, man.
It's only, what, 3.5 years ago?
Man, that's a lifetime
That's
ago.
a long time.
This is COVID didn't exist. Look at Vegas. Look at all these people in one room together.
Yeah. And I like when I see this, like, you know, I'm not even listening to it. Just it's nice to see our community, man. This was like, this is us. In a
It definitely was tighter for a minute.
Look at you screaming.
It was definitely tighter for a minute.
Yeah.
I don't know. Everyone used to go to CES every time, which would facilitate some of that. But also, if we felt like a bunch of weirdos, together.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell are we doing
Yeah.
out here in this Wild West type of thing? And now it's just more established, and everyone has like operations. And at this point in time, only Linus had like
A massive team.
20 employees. He got like 50 now.
Try like 70.
Okay, whatever it is.
I think he's got a big team.
Linus has 700 employees.
And 300 cores on his computer. Oh my God.
But anyway, so that's why this came to mind when I asked you what you were using right now. I think it showed the people's willingness to click on this video showcases an interest or at least a curiosity around how much people's videos map to their actual lives or how bad we are as a community at doing a good job of reflecting ourselves through our videos. We all have this production company approach, which leaves a lot to be desired.
We all don't bundle me in this.
No, if I had to think of it, there's something about being so prepared.
Yeah.
For your presentation.
Yeah, but the thing is, everybody in this room, other than you, is a preparer. You're like a winger. You just walked into this space and like you got a camera on you, you're ready to roll. Right? Most people.
It's a life of preparation. Right?
You've been preparing your whole life for this.
No, yeah, you're right. There's a difference there.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying, the title of the video is "Which smartphone do they actually use?" Mm-hmm. And people are like, click. They think it has 8.5 million views. Click, and it still gets suggested to this day. It has 400,000 thumbs up, 381,000. It must mean that people truly wonder. But how can they wonder when we've all published thousands of videos?
Yeah, that's true.
It's kind of it's like if you got an athlete,
okay,
like Michael Jordan, you don't have to wonder what equipment he chooses.
He's wearing it.
It's obvious all the time. He'll talk your ear off if you're willing to listen.
Okay.
I mean, in his case, he's like, it's his brand.
Right.
But I can't help but obsess over this idea that you have these people that you hold in high regard that have this access to all this stuff. And yet we do, and for a variety of reasons, it's hard to figure out what they even like.
Yeah. I mean, it depends on the content creator. Everyone's perspective on like everyone's way of delivering what they like or what they use is going to be different.